Hello. It is Christine Michelle with another episode of Aligned Soul TV. And this is the start of a brand new series that is called Law of Attraction 101. Line through it, Conscious Creation 101. Because today you're going to find out why it's not all about Law of Attraction. Get ready for your mind to be blown. But before we start, it is time for you to hit the subscribe button. I want you to subscribe. You have to subscribe. You want to subscribe because you're going to want to get all of these videos. You're going to want to jump on the Manifest Like Magic series. You're going to want every single thing that I'm uploading because I will be uploading new videos throughout the week. But the brand new video that's for this series will be weekly. So get excited because you'll get to have more opportunity to learn more about Law of Attraction, about conscious creation, about creating the life that you want to live, your best life right now when you hit subscribe. So let's talk about Law of Attraction, right? Everybody watched The Secret. They were like, I can sit on my couch and I can sit there and I can think and my thoughts are going to become things, and it's all about that, right? Well, first, you need to watch my Manifest Like Magic series so that you can realize that it's about the feeling, because the universe speaks in feelings. But Law of Attraction is not what you're looking for. There are 12 laws in the universe, which I'll do another series and talk about each one of those laws. But one of the 12 laws is Law of Attraction. Another very important law is the law of vibration. And the law of vibration talks about how everything within this universe has a certain vibration, a certain energy sequence, a certain frequency, right? Everything that you desire, everything you see has an energy sequence. It has a vibration to it. And in order for you to attract things into your life, you need to be vibrating at the same vibration. You need to be aligned with it. So law of vibration is just as important as law of attraction, which is the like attracting like. So one important thing that you have to know about creating your best life now is that you need to vibrate at the same vibration with what you desire, right? So that's the number one thing. Number two is intentional creation, right? So I said that it's not about law of vibration, it's about conscious creation, right? Or intentionally creating what you want in this world. So we said law of vibration is super important, so don't just focus on law of attraction. Number two is that intentional creation, that conscious creation that I was speaking about, isn't about creating anything, right? You don't need to create what you desire. It's already available to you. It already exists. Everything you desire already exists. So I like to explain it this way. When you feel a desire, when you feel something that you want come through, like when you feel it's like, you get excited about something, that is you, the you who already has it, the you who's here, and it's saying, come on, it's time for you to step into it. It's time for you to align with it. It's time for you to come up to this vibration. It's not saying you have to go do all the things, do all of these processes in order to create it because it doesn't exist. It already exists. Everything you desire already exists inside of you, already exists in unreality. And it's all about you aligning with it, because the only reason why you can't experience it now, the only reason why you can't see it now is because you don't align with it. So what did I say? 3 important things we're going to talk about is 1, it's not all about law of attraction. That's not the only thing, right? It's all about vibration and law of attraction. 2, intentional creating doesn't mean that you're creating something, that you're sitting there because you do these processes, now it's created. No, it's already exists. most of the processes and all of the things that all the teachers teach, the things that I teach, the tools and the tips, all of that is to help you align with it, align with the vibration of it, right? And then number 3, it is so important to remember, and we're going to talk about this more in detail, but you've got to take what you desire off the freaking pedestal. I call it hashtag of course, hashtag it's normal. That's what I like to call it for my clients, so that they can stop saying, oh, when I get this, oh, I can't wait, it's gonna feel so good. No, when you get what you desire, when what you desire manifests in your world, it's gonna feel like normal. And I'm sorry to break it to you, there won't be bands playing in the background, there won't be girls flipping, there won't be like people jumping and excited and cheering you on. No, it's gonna feel so normal, because that's what it is. In order to align with something, you get on the same vibration with it. And when you're on the same vibration with it, it feels like normal. So it is important for you to take all of the things that you desire off the freaking pedestal, because as they stay on that pedestal, they're going to run away from you. Just like that guy you put on the pedestal, the one you liked so much that you would chase him behind. He didn't want you. He was running from you because he was like, whoa, that's just a little too much. There's an imbalance there. So it is all about take what you desire off the pedestal. Make it a hashtag of course. Make it the norm. That is what is so important. It is one of the most important things. And that's what the surrender is about. That's what all of that is about. So, number 4, the universe reflects. It is a mirror. And in those reflections are gifts. They kind of tell you exactly where you're vibrating, because a lot of times it's unconscious, you're not aware, and your awareness is so utterly important. Awareness is key. And if you want to manifest like magic, if you want to manifest on repeat, you want to manifest all the things that you desire, blah, 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 live your best life, all of that stuff, it is all about being aware of what's coming in, what's reflecting back to you. Oh, okay, that's interesting. And looking at it from the viewpoint of an observer versus a judger. And we will talk all about that during this series. So let me repeat the 4 things that you need to remember about conscious creation / using law of attraction. That's the way I get the question, how do I use law of attraction? Is 1, it's not all about just law of attraction. It's about vibration. It's about aligning with what you desire, right? And then number 2, intentional creation isn't creating a damn thing. It already exists. It's just you stepping into the vibration of what it is. It's already exists within you. You already got it. It's all about you knowing that it's done, and it's just about you stepping into it, right? And number 3, it's all about taking it off the freaking pedestal. Take it off the pedestal. It is not something that's, whoa, can't wait when I get it. No, because if it's, whoa, you will never get it, because it'll be here and you'll continually stay here looking up, hoping, wishing, yes, I can't wait. And you'll be waiting, and you're always going to be waiting. You can't wait any longer because you'll keep waiting. And then number 4, the universe is a reflection. It is a mirror. It is mirroring back to you. And whatever pops up, whatever it shows, awareness is so important. And it's the triggers, the things, the most amazing things that show you that you're on your path. It's all about looking at what's mirroring back to you and celebrating when you see things that are like, oh my God, yes, this is awesome. This feels good. This feels normal. Of course. Hashtag of course. Yes. Acknowledging, yes, universe, thank you so much for putting this on my path and appreciating it. But also when you see things that reflect that are opposite of what you're manifesting, it's like, oh, interesting. There's still a part of me that aligns with this, or there's still a little tiny part of me that aligns with that, and allowing yourself to shift and change. So let's repeat the 4. It's what? Law of attraction is not all about law of attraction, it's about vibration. 2. And then number 2, intentional creation, you're not creating a damn thing. You're just stepping into it. You're aligning with it because it's already done and done. Once you decide and you set the intention, it's boom, 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 boom. Number 3, take it off the damn pedestal. Take it off the freaking pedestal. Take it off the pedestal. And number 4, be aware. Pump up your awareness. Become more aware. Be more observant. Awareness from the viewpoint of your higher self, of your soul. That's all 4 things that are super, super important. So, in the next video, we got to talk about 3 things to remember when you're creating. 3 things to remember within this whole law of attraction world. And they're going to be really important. I think it's going to change to 4 things because I just thought about a new thing. So I'm going to add that to the next video. So let's say 4 things to remember when it comes to conscious creation, intentional creation. I've got to think of a better word for that because you're not creating anything. You're just allowing it in. So we're going to think of a better word for that. But until then, I want you to first, in the comments, hashtag, let me know, did you realize that do you have your item on a pedestal? Do you have what you're creating, what you're bringing into your reality on a pedestal? Did you realize that it wasn't all about law of attraction, that there were other laws in the universe and other things that really help you bring whatever you desire into your 3D reality, into your awareness, into the reality that you're sitting here? Did you realize that there were parallel realities, things where you were already living your best life now, where you're doing all the things, and all it takes is for you to put your attention there to make it normal, to step into that, the feelings, the thoughts, all of those things, in order to bring it into this reality now. Did you realize that? So I want you to tell me what you got out of this video. What was an aha moment? Like it. Share it with your friends. Share it with someone that needs to hear this, that's so excited about, oh my God, law of attraction, law of attraction. And you're like, girl, it's about vibration too, right? Share this. But then also remember to subscribe so that you can get the next video for next week. That's all going to be about the 4 things you got to remember. 4 things that are super important for you to remember, because we're going to talk about that. We're also going to talk about deeper into the law of vibration, how to shift your vibration, how to lift your vibration, energetic set points. We're going to talk about all of that funness. We're also going to talk about there's nothing about you that you need to fix. There's nothing about that. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about what you can focus on and how you are perfect as you are. What else we're going to talk? We're going to talk about how things are already done and what you need to do now to step into it because it's already done and how it's already there. We're going to talk about intention and taking aligned action and inspired action. What else we're going to talk about? We're going to remove stuff off the pedestal. We're going to take that and just talk about that even more. I'm also going to take 2 videos to talk about 7 things that you are doing. 7 things that you're doing, which is why your manifestation isn't coming and how you can fix that. Right? So there's just so many videos within this series that are going to be super fun, and we're going to talk about all of those things, and I'm looking forward to it. Until then, hugs, kisses, all the feels, and remember to take your aligned soul action all throughout the day. Bye.